This is the Revd Henry Bird, bringing you the word. Well, boys and girls, before we start, I've got a wee joke for you. How do monkeys get down the stairs? They slide down the banana stair. Caw-caw-caw. Well, today's visiting speaker is Paul Orangutan. Caw-caw-caw.
Hey, my name is Paul Orangutan, and I'm here to bring you the word for today. And the word is be still and know that I am God. And that's from a book in the Bible called the Psalms. Be still. Hey, close those books. Turn off the internet. Yay! Yeah, we can do it. And spend some time with God. Yeah! Hey, man, be still and know that I am God. He's got it. Talk to him. Tell him everything. Yeah, man. And that's it from Paul Orangutan.